doing today? Today, we're trying something we saw on Pinterest. What we're making is peppermint bowls using those little candy peppermints. We're going to create a bowl out of them. We're gonna fill them with candy, and it makes a great gift for like a teacher.
Yeah.
Granted, it turns out okay. Here's what we do. You can supposedly use any kind of, let's use these. These are,
Okay.
I don't know if it matters if you get like the name brand or the non-name brand, but you need a bunch of mints.
Do we have to unwrap them?
Yes. You do have to unwrap them, yes. Okay, so what you need ultimately is you need 19 unwrapped peppermints. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Anywhere I've seen from 300 to 350. She seems to think this is gonna be easy, and it should be in theory that you're just making a design with these and popping them in the oven. But here's the key, you have to, on the baking sheet, put either a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. You cannot get away without it. You have to have this. So we put it on a silicone baking mat. You could do parchment paper as well. So what you want to do is you want to get them all off to the side like that. And you're going to make a design because we're making a small bowl. And then you're going to need a glass bowl to wrap it around for the shape. Okay, I just got this one at Walmart. It's so that it needs to be glass so that it can get hot. Okay, so you're going to put one in the center, and then you're going to take 6 and put it around like a flower shape. You want them to touch as much as possible. Then you want to take the remaining 12 mints and you want to go ahead and go around that in a pattern, just right around it. Like this is, it looks so easy, guys. That's the prep work. Now once your oven is preheated, you're going to go ahead and put it in the oven for about 8 minutes, but you have to watch it. That's the most important part, because you don't want it to melt so much that it's bubbly, because then it's not gonna work. So about 8 minutes, when they get shiny and they start to spread out, that's when you wanna remove it. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven. How easy is this? This is crazy easy.
I know.
Are they melted yet?
No.
How about now?
No.
Yeah?
No.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, so that was only about 6 minutes, and as you can see, they're starting to run, so we had to take them out right away. Now what you want to do is you want to let them sit on the tray. They're super hot for 30 seconds. That's it. 30 seconds, let them sit, and then we will go ahead and make our bowl. Here's the thing, kids, this is something your parents have to help you with. These are super hot candies, and I don't want you to burn yourself. So, here is what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh. Now you gotta be really careful. Like I said, the candies are really hot. What we're gonna do is we have our bowl upside down here, and we're going to try to flip the candies over and put it on top of the bowl. Center it.
That's a terrible idea.
It is a terrible idea. If we had better oven mitts.
Spatula?
No,
Take a spatula?
no. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do here is I'm gonna take the bowl, because I think this might be easier, and I'm gonna flip it, but see, it's already hot. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set. And what you wanna do with the oven mitts, you have to do it with the oven mitts because you will burn your hands. Oh, it's working!
It is!
It's working, kind of. Okay, it's not centered, so you gotta center it. Okay.
And you said it wouldn't work.
Here, you want to go ahead and mold the candy, mold it around like that. Yes. Let it sit, I don't know, just for a tiny little bit, not too, it has to set. You only have like a minute or two before the candies start to harden back up. They will start to harden up, and then you're not going to be able to mold it anymore. Okay, like I said, super, super hot. You want to go ahead and see? Go ahead, try. It's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
It's still
but
hot.
It's cooled a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, now I've heard that sometimes it sticks to certain bowls. It doesn't seem to be sticking to this bowl at all. It's a Walmart special bowl. I don't know, but it's not sticking at all. Now it's still hot, but I'm gonna go ahead and look. It came right off. Oh my God, the inside worked.
That's awesome.
What? Oh my gosh, we actually were able to pull this off. Okay, it's still a little hot, but the candy is hardened. And because of the shape we did, it kind of gives a little scalloped look on the top. Hey, it looks great. So Now what you would do then is you would let it cool completely and then fill it with candy, and then we're gonna put like plastic wrap around it, put a bow on it, and give it as a gift.
Yes.
Why not, right?
Yeah.
Like that. Look at how cute that looks. Just a little kind of a thank you gift for whoever. Really, really cute. It's homemade, so they're gonna appreciate that. I think even grandma would like it. Really, really cute. It worked. Our Pinterest challenge worked. We picked out this peppermint candy bowl, and we actually were able to do it. And I think ours looks pretty close to Princess Pinky.
Yeah.
I think and she's really good. So I think we got close. What do you guys think? Now, what was the last thing you did on Pinterest that actually worked out? Because a lot of times they look easy and they're not.
No.
So leave us a comment. Let us know your last win with a Pinterest, challenge. And that's it for us. So that's it, guys. If you want to try this, it actually works. They're called do-it-yourself peppermint bowls. Great for the holidays. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
See you guys next time. Bye.